Yo, Knowledge for Longevity back with another video. Anyone else looking for any type of sources of income while inflation right now? Because I know I am. It used to take $30 to fill up my gas tank. Now it's like almost $50. So that's $20 that's wasted based off me doing the same thing, which is just filling up my gas tank. So in this video, I'm gonna address a few easy ways how you can make some quick, easy money. Some side hustles. Some things that you can start right after this video. So the first thing you can do is start selling products on Etsy, Amazon, or eBay. All you gotta do is research retail arbitrage, start learning how the process works, and just go to stores like Walmart, Target, or you could buy stuff online for discounts. Go to the clearance section or the sales section. Stop, Harmony. Harmony, stop, man. Come on, man. I'm doing a video, man. And buy products you want to sell and then sell it more online. Etsy, Amazon, and eBay are great platforms you can make easy money because billions of people are shopping on a platform each day. So it's nothing for you to get about 50, 60, 100 sales if it's billions of people buying online. And once you set up your online store, you can start earning passive income if you already working a job. You're already working a job and you start selling on Amazon, eBay, or Etsy. Now that's two sources of income. Next thing you can do is download an app called Prize Picks. Prize Picks is a sports betting app where you can bet on sports like baseball, football, basketball, and things of that sort. We usually use Prize Picks to bet on basketball. And if you don't know how to do it, it's a guy on YouTube that's actually uploading videos every single day of his picks that he picked, and we actually make money together as a community. So that's another easy way for you to start making money. Prize Picks, sports betting app, pick different players and you can make easy money. Next thing you do is sign up for DoorDash and start delivering food. Download the DoorDash app and sign up for a Dasher. And you can start delivering food in your area. And it's good and easy because all you gotta do is click on stuff that people already delivered. So it's already on the app. It's already people delivered. So all you gotta do is push it and you can make money. Just like Lyft or Uber Eats. All that stuff is like pretty much the same category. Lyft, Uber Eats, DoorDash, all that stuff is pretty much in the same category. So that's another easy way for you to earn 3 sources of income. The next thing you can do is invest in stocks. What you gotta do is open a brokerage account and start buying your stocks. Like I said, it's some stocks less than $100, and all you gotta do is invest your money into the stock on a regular basis. The stock could pay you dividends, and this could be like another source of your 4th income. That's 4 sources of income right there that you got based off these little easy things that you can do. So like I said, it's easy money. Invest in stocks that you want. You could pick stocks like Apple, Amazon, Royalty Income, Apple, Procter & Gamble, Home Depot, Target, Walmart. All those are good companies that you can easily invest your money in and make easy money on a consistent basis. Next thing you can do options trading. Options trading is similar to stocks. So for example, when the stocks move, you can make money off the move. So if a stock goes up 100%, you can make 100%. If a stock go down 50%, you can make 50%. So if you don't know about options trading, all you gotta do is look up a couple videos on YouTube how to do options trading. And like I said, basically all you're doing is riding a stock. If a stock going up, you're gonna bet that it's going up. If a stock is going down, you betting that it's going down. And that's an easy way for you to make money. Options trading. If you don't know how to do it, all you gotta do is look up videos on YouTube. Everything I'm telling you, you could look up videos on YouTube how to do it. How to open up an Etsy shop, Amazon shop, how to make money on Prize Picks, how to open up a DoorDash account or how to make money on DoorDash. All this stuff is on YouTube. Next thing you can do is go to Google Rewards. Go to Google's Rewards and they can pay you. You could do like little mini surveys, and they pay you a little bit of money by doing Google surveys. They give you little surveys a month that you can just do for fun. And you can just do that and collect a little money. And if you do it for a long period of time, you could use this money as another source of income. But these little things I'm telling you, you can do it for a long period of time and it can build up. So that's the thing about it. You got to start now because it's definitely going to take time to start and build. So like I said, time, you want to start now. That's why I'm addressing these things in the video. Everything I put in these videos, this supply the information. Like basically write this stuff down that I say in the video and just do it right after the video. Open your brokerage account, start investing in stocks. Open the Etsy shop, Amazon shop. Stop uploading products. It's easy. Buy your products from online or go in store. Buy from Target, Walmart, all those discount stores. Go to the sales and clearance section, like I said, and just upload products on Amazon. It's easy. Download Prize Picks. Start betting on stuff. And if you don't know how to bet, there's a guy on YouTube that's actually doing it. He's putting out picks every day, and you can just copy his picks and make easy money. Next thing you could do is get the rewards credit card, and when you spend your money on your credit card, you could get rewards points back, and you could use that rewards points for cash. All you gotta do is sign up for a rewards credit card, spend money that you're already spending money on right now, and you'll receive little cash back. And instead of redeeming the points and spending it, we're gonna let it build up, and this could be like another source of passive income. Thank you for watching Knowledge for Longevity, and I see you in the next video.